45
45
times 29.
1305. Equal 222. When you press equal, you're going to get 296.
Right,
Hit
296.
equals again, you're going to get 370.
Yeah.
And it goes 444.
Yeah.
518, 602, 666, 740, 814. 888, 962, 1036, 1110, 1184, 1255, 1332, 1406.
25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. 32, 64, 96, 128, 160, 192, 224, 256, 288, 320. Hello parents and my super intelligent students. We learned about multiples and factors in lesson 1 about the basic properties. In lesson 2, we are going to learn about how to calculate fast multiples and factors and also divisibility test, although I don't consider divisibility test as a part of mental math, but sometimes it's useful and we will definitely touch upon that. Then lesson 3 and lesson 4 would be on fast LCM and HCF calculations, and there would be lesson 5 with some additional tips. I would like to start with the part 1 for the lesson 2 multiples and factors, which is how to calculate fast multiples. But sorry for that, actually there is no special tip here. It's no magic, no technique, no shortcut. Only fast addition. Just look at this boy.
Hello. My name is Yashwin Saravanan. I am 15 years old and I am from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Give me a 2-digit multiplied by a 2-digit.
45
45
times 29.
1305.
Wow.
Okay.
Miss Angu, give me a 2-digit number.
29.
Okay, 29. 29 plus 29. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this number 29 again and again and again. So 29 plus 29 is 58, plus 29 is 87, 116, 145, and so on. Okay, so, sir, your job is to just hit this equal button. It's easy.
Yeah.
You just verify the answer, okay?
Yeah.
So, would you like to pick another different 2-digit number?
Yeah.
Or?
74.
Okay, 74.
74
Okay.
plus 74
Yes, equals to.
equals, and then do I have to keep putting in 74?
Wait, no. You
No.
just hit the equal button. 148 equal 222. When you press equal, you're going to get 296.
Right,
Hit
296.
equals again, you're going to get 370.
Yeah.
And it goes 444.
Yeah.
518, 602, 666, 740, 814. 888, 962, 1036, 1110, 1184, 1255, 1332,
You go too
1406. Okay, I'm at 1406.
I gotta go back. Keep going.
I'm at 1406.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay, 1480.
Oh, I see. 1400. Yeah.
1480.
140. Yeah.
1554.
Jesus.
1628.
Jesus.
1702, 1776, 1850, 1924, 1998, 2072, 2146, 2220.
All right, enough.
An Indian boy making name for his family all over the globe, and he has done great. You would have seen his speed, but what he is doing, basically he's adding same number again and again, which is same as multiples. Because what are multiples? Multiples are when you multiply a number with all the natural numbers. When I talk about first 10 multiples, let's say of 5, so it is simply 5 multiplied by 1, 5, and 5 multiplied by 2, 10, and so on, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, same like that. Now you would ask, this guy must have put a lot of hard work into this, technique or his magic or whatever you say, his show. He must have practiced a lot. He must have spent a lot of hours. Is it possible for everyone? I think no. It's not possible, and even it is not even required, because everybody is not going to compete on the set of America's Believe It or Not or in the human calculation competitions. We are learning math, and especially my motto is to learn math, to apply it in different fields, especially science, where math is very useful. If you have great math, that means great science, because the language for science is math. Without math, there is no science. So here we would learn, if not we can do as fast as him, but at least maybe 1/2 or 1/3 or 1/4 speed of his is wonderful, and it would give you a lot of results. So just practice addition and multiplication and again without memorizing. Just keep on adding the numbers. Let's say he did for some number, I will do for, let's say, 25. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. You would say, sir, you took a very easy example. Yes, I took an easy example. You can also take. Who stopped you? Let's start with easy examples. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's start. No problem. 2, 4. But once your brain, the processing speed becomes faster and faster because there is a biochemical machine here in the brain, a supercomputer. You do it again and again, it will auto learn and it will make your brain faster. Then let's do for difficult one. Also, let's do for 32. 32, 64, 96, 128, 160, 192, 224, 256, 288, 320. You can do it. It's not that difficult. I'm not as fast as the guy who I showed you just now, but I'm good. I mean, it's good enough to perform well in the Olympiads. It's good enough to give me edge in the exams, in future in the competitive exams, and it's good enough for me to solve all the problems which will come in science. Soon we will go to the fractions and decimals, and you will see how important are multiples, factors, multiplication, division. The faster you are in the calculation, you become better in the decimal fractions and everything else which is going to be followed after that. So kids, no shortcut, no technique, no magic, only practice of addition, repetitive addition, which is called multiplication. Thank you.